Let's talk about the self-employed borrower, how buying a home affects you and what you can do to prepare. Stay right there. I've got 3 tips for you as soon as I get back. Hey there, so you're self-employed. Well, it takes one to know one. I have a couple of tips for you that will make your life a lot easier when going through the mortgage process. Tip number 1. The minimum requirements do not change simply because you are self-employed. So all of you folks out there that think that you may need to put a larger down payment or potentially have a minimum credit score higher than the average is incorrect. You have the same exact minimum requirement when it comes to each loan program, whether it be VA, FHA, USDA, or conventional. They do not change. Tip number 2. You can't overcome a lower credit score with more money down when you're trying to qualify for a traditional product like an FHA, VA, USDA, or conventional. If you are a little credit challenged, if you're looking for actual assistance and guidance, which leads me to number 3, self-diagnosing. Seek a lender as soon as possible. Self-diagnosing is one of the things that we tend to do as consumers. And in self-diagnosing, we tend to find ourselves talking ourselves right out of applying for a mortgage, thinking that there's no way for us to potentially qualify if we have X, Y, and Z counting against us. Well, guys, I'm here to tell you that if you are in the process of looking for a home and you are self-employed, get with a mortgage lender, especially one that understands how self-employed income works. There are many nuances to how income is seen. There are many different ways that an underwriter will view certain things within a self-employed borrower, and typically they are very complicated and complex. From a mortgage expert like myself that has been dealing with self-employed borrowers for 10 years plus, in addition to I personally am self-employed with multiple businesses, understand how to navigate the rough waters of self-employed income and tax returns. So if you are self-employed, either moving to Texas or currently residing in Texas, please visit us at LaCanteraLoans.com to meet with one of our expert loan officers that will go over your tax returns, that will set the expectations, that will provide you the options in addition to the guidance, if necessary, to get you to the finish line. We understand that as a self-employed borrower, you've got many things going on. As an entrepreneur, I can also relate. So visit us at LaCanteraLoans.com to get your options today.